going to give a demonstration of what happens when you're faced with scheduling conflicts based on alternative schedules for your school. Block schedule was ours, and it created some course conflicts. So we're going to play for you. This is our advanced symphonic band. We're going to play an excerpt of music that we are working on in class right now. And then we're going to demonstrate to you the difference when we take out the kids who had schedule conflicts. So here's our first performance. This is David Holsinger's Prelude and Rondo. Now, we're going to remove the kids that would have conflicts with specific courses. Every course did not overlap, but certain courses in the curriculum, because there were only 4 periods in which they could be offered, would take students out of the ensemble. So we're going to ask the students who were in AP Calculus, which was a schedule conflict, to go ahead and move out of the ensemble. Then we're going to ask the students who are in the 4th year of a foreign language, which became a conflict for us, to move out of the ensemble. Then we're going to ask the students who represent early graduation or minimum day to move out of the ensemble, and we'll see what's left. Okay, so you guys are out. Sorry, scheduling conflicts. And here we go. You can understand the impact that it can have on your program. The issue that we had to face then was, do we move students who are not quite ready to perform at this level up into the ensemble to fill the chairs, or do we make the ensemble smaller? So it's issues that everyone faces when they go to some sort of alternative schedule.